Hi guys, here's E. Vanilla crescent, or called Kipferl, is one of the most popular Christmas cookies. It's also one of my favorites. They are sweet, crunchy, and just looking so adorable. It's a must-have during Christmas time.
Take 180 grams of cold butter, diced into smaller cubes, 70 grams of caster sugar, 1 pack of bourbon vanilla sugar, 100 grams of almond flour, 250 grams of regular flour, and sprinkle a pinch of salt at the end. Knead the dough thoroughly with kneading hooks or with our bare hands until all ingredients are incorporated and able to form a smooth dough. Then wrap it with a plastic foil and let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour. After that, we can lay a piece of baking paper on the baking tray. Scoop out about half tablespoon of the cookie dough. Roll it in our palms gently until both ends turn pointy while thick in the middle, and shape it carefully into a little boomerang form. The temperature on our palms can help with softening the dough and developing it to our desired form. Lay our cookies side by side with a bit of space in between. You can either leave your cookie like many tiny boomerangs, or bend the two ends slightly inwards to make them look more like little crescents. Turn our oven to 170 degrees Celsius and bake our cookies on the middle rank for only about 12 minutes without leaving them with too much brown color. While the cookies are still warm, we can either dust it with a bit of more vanilla sugar or regular powdered sugar. Enjoy!
Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。